babe. You are not fully in frame. Can you move a little to your left?
Sure.
A little closer? Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Alright. Yeah, it's perfect.
Am I in the frame?
Yeah, I can see you in the camera lens.
What? So your YouTube video up here is amazing then?
Shut up. We wanted to vlog our hiking trip, remember? It was your idea in the first place.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I know, baby. But I hate being in front of a camera like this.
Well, most of it is going to be me holding the camera for the shots anyway, so it's just going to be of us hiking.
I would prefer if you were in front of the camera so it could be your soul instead of mine.
Okay, fine. Babe, come here.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. We recorded.
Yep.
Awesome. Alright, hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special video indeed. Today, me and my girlfriend Ashley are going to vlog our hiking trip through the Pinestripe Woods. It's a public trail well received in the Colorado Wilderness Corporation. So we are in the mountains of Colorado right now, but we have hit major points and other hiking trails except for this one. In the US, we have been to ones in Texas, Arizona, California, New Mexico, and Florida. This one is our last stop.
Is this going to be like a hike through like hills and rocks, rivers, all the, hard stuff?
But no, it's an easy trail with beautiful scenery of the forest. Anyway, yeah, we're going to film us going through it. Maybe get some shots of the trees, rivers, structures, and natural wildlife like some bunnies and foxes. Alright, cool. There's the introduction done.
You always make a good introduction.
Of course. Okay, let's check what we have in the trunk.
Okay, baby.
Okay, we got a map, portable camera, rope, hunting knife, water, potato chips, cookies, meat, pork chop for sandwiches.
I know you want the cookie.
Yeah.
I'll take the cookies, and some of the water bottles. I'll take the map and the camera. You can have the,
Yeah, you can take the fish, baby.
The fish? Okay. That's fine.
Okay.
Do we have everything?
Yeah, I have everything. Yeah. Alright, let's go down to the reception. I don't know if anyone's here.
I don't know, it looks pretty empty.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, no one's here. Okay. I guess the trail starts this way, because I guess we can just walk around and see what we see, like some wildlife. Hopefully we see like a fox or something.
Oh, that would be so nice, baby.
Pinestripe.
Oh, I love foxes.
Pinestripe Woods, founded in 1909. Cool.
It's old, huh?
Yeah.
It's pretty old. Oh, that's pretty. Babe, walk ahead of me so I can get some shots of you.
Alright, cool.
Hey, what's this? Over here?
I don't know, babe.
I see you.
Maybe it was from the Halloween trick-or-treat thing they did, like, last month.
Oh yeah, they had like a little Halloween thing. They made the park all haunted. Like a little haunted trail.
Yeah, for all the kids, because, the whole people not wanting kids in the neighborhood thing no more.
Yeah. That's interesting.
It is pretty, isn't it?
It is very pretty. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. The area is so clean.
Let's see. I don't know if there's any structures I think they have maybe like a gazebo or something further down the trail. But I think it's just pretty much this for a while.
Yeah. I mean, it's still really pretty. I'm glad we came.
Yeah. It's a fox.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one of them's sleeping. Oh, wait, he was sleeping.
Oh. Aren't they cute,
there's one,
baby?
yeah, there's one over here. I think they're scared of us.
Yeah, I think so too. Well, they're an animal, so.
Yeah. It's over here. Come on, babe. I want you to be in front of me so I can get shots of you walking.
Oh, you know. You and your shot. Oh, look, the church. Pretty.
Why is there a church here? Oh, yeah.
Isn't it pretty? It's probably like for weddings and stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the pretty stained glass.
Yeah, it's very pretty. Treat others as you want to be treated.
Mm. They probably don't staff it.
Yeah.
Let's see, it's a monastery.
It's a graveyard, yeah. It's very pretty. Oh, look, there's a fountain. It's very pretty.
It is.
Oh, there's a gazebo over there. There's a gazebo I was talking about. You want to get in front of the fountain so I can get a shot of you?
Okay, baby.
Let me take your picture with the camera.
It's pretty. Oh.
Right, let me get a shot with the camera. Alright. Hold still. Alright, I got it. Cool. Okay, babe, do you want to head back the way we came? See if we can get his gazebo? Okay.
My feet are killing me.
We've been walking for at least 2 miles, I think.
Oh, probably more.
Yeah. What's
I
that?
mean, it does whine quite a bit.
You see that one? Yeah, I see it. It's on the tree. Huh. Maybe it's like a Halloween. I think it's, yeah, it's still the Halloween decoration. I mean, if you think about it, this trail is so big. It's like they probably just forgot to take some down because we're pretty far out.
Yeah, I mean, I know it went for, like, had almost the whole thing decorated, I think.
Yeah. Which way?
I
Let's go to where the water is. Very pretty. Oh, there's the gazebo. I don't think we can get to it. I don't think we can get to it from here, but it looks really pretty.
You know, I think it might be a lot.
Yeah. Rob's. It was pretty. I think this is one of my favorite trails from the ones that we've seen. It's
Yeah,
really,
it really is.
yeah.
I mean, the trees are super old, so they grew massive.
Yeah. Do you see that? It's in the path.
That's crazy, babe.
Yeah. I'm always watching. That's a little weird. That kind of does make me a little freaked out. I'm just gonna say that's the Halloween decoration. I'm still thinking that's Halloween decoration. Oh, look at that fucking. Damn, look at that fucking big tree up there.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's really cool.
It is.
Fork in the road again.
That's right.
Right. I'm gonna go right. You always go right in mazes. If you always go right in mazes, you'll make it out.
Weird. Hey,
Yeah.
come look at this.
Yeah, I see it.
That's great.
Why are there trees in the middle of the road? Or, I guess not a road, a path. That's a little weird.
Yeah, I mean, just a little.
Oh, baby, get next to these vines. Right here. Stand around. Let me get the picture. All right. 3, 2, 1. Cheese.
Hey, now.
Alright, cool.
Oh, look, a tree circle, baby.
Oh yeah, I know you like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, there's this whole myth behind them that if you see one, something strange might happen to you.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool. Huh.
Yeah, it could be a good stranger at Dog Street. You
I've
never know.
never seen one of those before.
I saw one once when I was little, but
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, they usually are in forests.
what
Huh. Is that a campsite?
yeah, if you want to call it that. It's more like a horror movie to me.
Help. It says help on the wall over there. And there's weird purple, black blocks.
Okay, you don't think it's the Halloween decoration?
I mean, if it's for kids, I would think this is a little creepier for a kid. It looks like there's
it looks like something bad happened here.
there's blood, or at least dried blood. I don't know if it's fake. It looks like it was just abandoned or destroyed or something. I don't know what all these heads are for. Looks like all the tents are destroyed. There's a blue, white, and red one. And there's a weird altar thing. Let me look in the chests. There's apples. Old crab apples. They're 20 years old. What's this one?
You don't think
There's-
there's missing people, do you?
I don't know. Old camp log. Credit card. Car license 1987. Matt Cromwell. Leather wallet. Let me read this log. There's 19 pages. He's coming. Blank, 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 blank. He knows you are here. Do not enter the Pinestripe woods. He is here.
Yeah, okay, can we get going? I don't really want to be here anymore.
Okay, yeah, let's head back to where we came. But come on. Let's go.
Yeah, like, I really don't want to be here anymore.
Yeah, let's go.
Babe, I think we're really lost.
Yeah, it's already nighttime. I don't know where we are. Which way did we come from?
I don't even know anymore. I'm like getting really worried and I don't know, babe.
Okay, yo man, let's see what's up here. Hold on. It's so dark.
I really don't like this. I have a bad feeling.
You have a bad feeling?
Yeah, like something's just not right.
Okay. What's this? Oh, it's a fountain. Okay. I
Babe,
mean,
we literally have seen no one else.
yeah, I know. Wait, what the hell? What? Did we just go in a circle? Wait, babe? Babe? Ashley! Hello? Where the hell did she go? She was just with me. Babe? Oh, shit. Okay. What the fuck is that? I think it's a person. Hello? Sir, are you homeless? Do you need help? I just saw like a abandoned campsite, and I just maybe some people went missing. Are you one of them, possibly? Are you hungry? Do you want a cookie? You want cookies? You want cookies? Oh shit! Oh fuck! Shit! 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 What the fuck, dude? I'm sorry! I'm sorry! Shit! 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 Oh fuck. Babe, where are you? Okay, there's the fairy circle. I guess I can just head back the way we came. Calm down. Calm down, Jack. Calm down. Come on! Shit! Shit! This way, this way, this way. Come on, jump! Alright. Okay. Alright, it's fine. It's okay. It's okay. Shit! 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 Oh shit. Okay. Did I lose him? Okay, I think I lost him. Okay. Shit, I gotta find my girlfriend. I gotta find my girlfriend. Ashley! Babe! Oh my god. Babe! Ashley! Ashley! Awesome. It's almost done. Brian was pretty good at being a creepy red thing as Herobrine. Ashley did a good job too. Hey, babe?
Yeah, babe.
Oh, I see you through the window. You're in the kitchen. Hang on.
Yeah.
I'm coming.
I just finished making a cake.
Okay. Hey, boy. All right. Our film is almost done. We'll enter the film festival next week.
Oh, yay, baby. I'm excited for you.
I'm very excited too.